How to make money using ChatGPT 1 freelancing on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Medical writing, research papers, blog posts, or health articles. Content creation, blog posts, product descriptions, or ad copies. Resume and cover letter writing help job seekers craft professional documents. Translation services offer English, Somali, Chinese, or Arabic translations to affiliate marketing. Product reviews and comparisons. Use ChatGPT to write engaging product descriptions for Amazon and Temu affiliate links. Social media content. Post viral short-form content with affiliate links. SEO blogging. Create niche blogs to drive organic traffic to affiliate products. 3. Selling digital products. Ebooks and guides. Use ChatGPT to write and format ebooks, health tips, orthopedic care, etc. Online courses. Design and sell medical courses or injury management tutorials. Templates. Offer SOAP note templates, medical report samples, or patient intake forms for health consultation and education. Telehealth services offer guidance on orthopedic care using AI for fast documentation. YouTube or TikTok tutorials explain orthopedic procedures, trauma care, or medical insights. Promoting affiliate links for medical tools. 5. AI consulting and automation. Business automation help local clinics streamline their work using AI automated responses, scheduling tools. Chatbot creation builds simple AI chatbots for businesses to manage patient queries. 6. Social media monetization. TikTok and Instagram Reels go viral by sharing health tips paired with affiliate product suggestions. YouTube channel. Use ChatGPT to plan scripts and grow your channel with engaging videos. Facebook groups. Build niche groups, for example, orthopedic health tips, and promote relevant affiliate products. 7. Offering AI-enhanced services. Customized AI solutions offer to set up AI-driven workflows for small businesses like Bataraman, MCH. Data analysis and reporting. Use ChatGPT to create health data reports, patient statistics, etc.